Good day, everyone. So let's boost our confidence, begin in English. And what if we talk about the work? Yes, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you that this AI can be your speaking companion, particularly to help you out and be confident in English. And the tool that I'm going to talk about is this Stimulator, guys. You can go open it. And here I'm simply open it with my Android phone. And don't worry, it is also available into your App Store or the Apple. And this is the opening. And this is the look and a lot of topics over here. And I also has been setting this stimulator into the for the working purposes. And if you are the new user, they will always ask you the purpose and goals that you would like to reach using this stimulator, guys. And the tool that you can use or the section that you can use to have the conversation about the work is go to the practice. And in this section, there will be a lot of topic to talk about, and it will also train you to have the conversation. And please don't worry about the correction or adjustment, guys, because there's none of it over here. Go to the work, and you can start a conversation.
What's the one thing you really like about your job? Something you can flex when you're discussing with your friends about work?
Yes, Sarah, I love to be the content creator right now because besides to train my confidence, I also have the chance to learn and try a lot of AI tools that can help us or help me to boost my productivity. And after you finish the conversation, you can push the orange button in the middle. And you see I got the 15
That
words.
sounds great. I like content creation too. Using AI tools can really help us be more effective. What kind of content do you want to create?
So if you would like to pause the conversation, you can push the pause button into this section. And as you can see, there will be the evaluation about the conversation or the words that you have just said into this conversation. You can click this. And as you can see, there will be the correction. And don't worry about the correction because it will make you more better every single day. Like this, the grammar that you need to change for the further conversation, like this grammar, AI tool that to be AI tools that, and the pronunciation, you can learn about the things that being underlined by this Sarah or this Stimula AI, and you can try to pronounce it better, like productivity and confidence. And also the fluency, they will give you the improved version of your speech and also the vocabulary. Isn't that cool, right? So please don't forget to try this Stimulator AI to help you boost your confidence, particularly in speaking in English. And I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.